Well, I'm finally back. So now today I'm playing the Battle Cats. I think I'm probably going to make this a series, but let's do this. Korea. Okay, I guess we'll just hop right in. The battle begins. Attack the enemy base. Tap this icon to produce a cat. You need money, not real, duh, to produce cats. Wait until enough is saved up. I need 50. Now let's sortie some cats. Tap the icon below. Cats attack the enemy base automatically. Save money first and keep producing cats. So, the reason that I'm playing this game is because my two brothers got it, and now, I... Oh my gosh, they're bad. That's cool. Tap the icon indicated by the arrow to increase the money production speed. Okay. Get more money. The capacity of the wallet also increases and gives you a resource advantage. Okay, that's cool. So my brothers both play this a lot, and I see it all over YouTube and stuff. So I feel like I have to play this. Oh, that's cool. Okay. Oh my gosh, this is fun already. Wow. I can get Okay. Fire the cat cannon. The icon appears when the cat cannon is ready to fire. Lure the enemies into firing range and then fire. Okay. They're not exactly in firing range yet. Ooh, wow, I'm beating them up right now. I'm gonna have someone come and help. Wow, this game is like, I can tell it's gonna be addicting. Oh. I can tell they're not gonna get. Come on, so close. Yes! Victory. Superior kimchi received. Okay, cool. The treasure menu has been unlocked. They get cat treasures to activate cat treasure bonuses. Okay, the item shop is now open. You can buy many useful items to use in battle here. Catnip challenges are now available. Complete various missions to receive awesome rewards. Okay. 30 cat food received. That's cool. 29 more until you get this special cat. This guy. That's actually tutorial clear. Choose a race ticket. Let's collect. Okay. A cool cat. Okay, up. Okay, what's this? Clear the Japan stage, and you can use this ticket to collect a weird and powerful rare unit. Onward to Japan. Okay. Upgrade. Okay. Cat upgrade. Oh, that's cool. How do you get... Oh, cool. Now I have the tank cat. Oh. Can I upgrade him? No. Okay. Back. Oh, the cat god. Wait. The cat god. Oh, that's cool. Okay. Missions. Let's see what's on here. Claim. Okay, 20 cat food received. Clear Japan in the battle cat. Okay. Oh. Start. Tap an item icon you want to use. Note, please select your items before battle. Oh, okay. So, speed up. Wait, can I do this? You will use one item per stage when Lock items to keep them in use when you progress through different stages. Okay. Attack, I guess. The battle begins. Okay, so I'm in Mongolia. Oh, now they're coming. Okay. So, oh no, there's snakes. Oh, that's cool. Come on, cats. I want my tank cat to do something, but... Well, yeah, I'll do 5 cats and then... So there, now next I'm just gonna wait for the tank cat to be able to come in. Because... Yes. Oh, that's one big cat. Wow. I can fire. Okay. It looks like I'm doing good enough, though. I feel like I'm never gonna have to use my cannon. I'm not gonna spawn in any more cats because, well, I don't know. I don't think I need to be honest. Come on, I'm about to win. There we go. Victory. 1,300 XP. Cool. Okay. Long range attacks strike far away enemies, but not those right in front of that unit. Keep baddies away from long range attackers so they can fight well. Okay, upgrade. Let me see. Can I upgrade the tank cat? Or wait, I can upgrade the range. I'm gonna do that. Anyway, so to realize anything, you need imagination and action. That's no. What am I doing? Start, I guess. Attack China. Okay, let's do this. Oh, it's the Great Wall of China. That's cool. Yeah, I have a feeling I'm gonna do pretty good this battle, but to be honest, I don't know. Wow, this game is... I can tell this game is... Yeah, cool. Might not need to put in any more cats for now, because I'll need to be able to do the cat cannon and stuff, so... once I can do that, then... Okay. I need them all in range. So, okay, once they're all in range right now. Okay, fire. Oh, that was awesome. That was awesome. Wow. Get ready for the tank. Wow, this is cool. This is awesome. So far, I don't really have any strategy. I'm just spawning in cats. I need another tank. So, yeah. I think I'm going to beat the game. I have a feeling. Yes, I'm going to do it now. They're not going to get past my... Not going to get into range with the cat cannon, so... It's not like I need this last guy, but... This last cat, but I'm just spawning him in. Because I'll need some. Yes, victory. Nice, 1,600. There's a new cat waiting to be upgraded. Okay, let's see what's in here. Is it the cat? Axe cat? Oh, unit acquired. Yes, the axe cat. That's cool. Oh, so I'm gonna upgrade this guy. And I'm gonna upgrade wait, not enough XP, okay. So just 1,000. Okay, that's cool. So now I have, if you keep fighting in the same stages, you'll get less XP every time. Oh, I didn't know that. Well, let's attack Thailand. Whatever. Battle begins. Okay, the Axe Cat. I want to see this guy in battle, because I feel like that would be really cool. But I have to have 200 coins or something. Okay, 2 cats. I don't know if that's good enough, but... Wow, they're just... It's funny how they just, like, chomp. It's cool. Okay, so... I'm not getting any closer, but... With these cats... Okay, I need a tank. Okay, so... There it is. They're not in yet. Oh, look at the tiny people. I didn't even notice that. They're just karate chopping the cats, but the cats are like pushing them back. Okay. The Axe Cat, finally. That looks cool. Look at their little legs. It's funny. I don't have enough. I want to see him battle. Come on, Axe Cat. Get over there faster. Oh, there, he's just chopping them. Okay, level up. So, I don't think I need any more cats, do I? It's like a war, cats versus dogs. Wow. So, yeah. It's just, I only have Axe Cats left? What? How did that happen? I guess they're the best. They've been on the battlefield. Oh, one of them died. Oh no, not good. Oh no. Oh, they're sending the humans in. They're almost in range, but I don't want them in range. Maybe I do, because then I can kill all of them. So, fire. Let's do this. Darn it, the people didn't die. That's not good. Those guys are strong. Darn it, I didn't get the Axe Cat. Okay, there. So he's in. I'm losing cats. Wow. Not good. Come on, Axe Cat. There's one Axe Cat that's just chopping them away. Okay, something's wrong. I feel like come on. It's like we're not pushing them back at all. Yes, finally. Yes, victory. Okay, so is there anybody else in here? No. So I have 2,000. I think I might upgrade the range. Yeah. Charge? What's this do? Then worker cat rate. Worker cat wall. Okay, no. I don't need any of this stuff. Well, I think that might be it for the video. So, like if you want to see another Battle Cats episode. And, yeah, remember to subscribe, like, and